In the previous video, we understood what is count functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is index functionality about. So let us take our list. So list one dot index. So if you want to find the element 100 where it is present, so if there are multiple occurrences of the element, that would return us the first occurrence where that respective element is present, the index of that. Here now there are 200s, so we want to get the first one. So here what would we get? So index has to be 2. We got it. Similarly, list one dot index. If I want to get the index of the character capital H, so let's observe that. So we got the index to be 6. Similarly, if I want to get the index of maybe lowercase h, as we don't have lowercase h in our respective list, let's try to see what does that would throw. So it gave us the error again, the same value error, meaning that the character H is not in the list. So if you want to check the element where the element is present and its respective index, we can go for index functionality. That too, if the element is present. If the element is not present, that would definitely throw us the error. That is all about index functionality. In the next video, let's try to understand what is reverse functionality about.